drops of water. So what could blue hear with drops of water? Ooh,
Drops of water.
drops of water. Right. And now our second clue is a cloud. So what could blue hear with drops of water in a cloud? You think? Well, and our clues are drops of water, a cloud, and this sound. So what could blue hear with drops of water, a cloud, and this sound? Well, maybe if the drops of water came out from the cloud, like rain, yeah, and then we hear this sound. Hey, what is that called?
A thunderstorm.
A thunderstorm. Yeah, that's it. Because the drops of water are like rain, and rain comes from a cloud, and we hear this sound. We just figured out Blue's Clues.